Yo. 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 All right, guys, welcome to another. Don't make me rape you. No, okay. All right. That's enough for today. That's the intro. Okay. Please don't take that out of context. That was a lie. I'm never going to do that.
Me and Bucky are friends. Come here, Bucky. Hello.
Right, guys? Please don't. All right. We're not. I might have just put myself away for life with that. But let's get into this. So, as you guys know, I kind of want to start just doing the boot camp videos as just live trading videos now, and I'll drop like the occasional like tomorrow I'll probably do like a psychology video. Maybe that's what we do. Like weekends are psychology videos, and then like we have one day where we go over a weekly analysis. But then like during the weekdays, it's all just like live trading videos or like daily bias videos and like backtesting, like that sort of stuff. Because you guys, like, I showed you guys everything that I know at this point. So now it's just kind of like going over the small shit, you know, like how can me and you guys improve together, going over current market bias and all that stuff. So we'll go ahead and jump right into this. We'll go on, give our weekly bias for the upcoming week, okay? So first thing that I would like to do would be to go over, let's see, 15th today? Would we go over next week, figure out my trading schedule, okay? So what days will I be willing to trade? What days do I have to wait for news to come out? What days, you know, all that stuff. All right, so Monday, looking super clean, all right? We have Empire Manufacturing Index, an hour before market open. Boom, cool. We'll see how that affects the market, and then we'll take a trade. Moving forward, we have core retail sales, and then industrial production. All of that is pre-market. Hour before market open, 15 minutes before market open. These, again, should not do too much damage to the market. We'll see how it affects the market. Wait for market to open, and then we'll take a trade off of it. Moving forward. Boom, we have CPI on Wednesday, so I will definitely be avoiding GBP USD and GBP JPY. S&P and all other USD pairs looking pretty clean so far for this week. We have building permits that are going on an hour before market open on Wednesday. That should be no big deal for us, all right? Thursday, we have unemployment claims. That can occasionally really mess up the market, and then other times it doesn't mess up the market at all, okay? Philly Fed manufacturing doesn't really do much, usually comes out at the same time as unemployment claims. And then we have existing home sales, so we'll wait for unemployment claims, and then we'll wait 30 minutes into market open for the existing home sales news data to come out, and then from there, we'll see if we can take a trade. Sometimes unemployment claims moves the market so much pre-market where there's just no reason to take a trade afterwards, so that's something to keep in mind. So Thursday, it's like, all right, we want to be very selective with what trades we take. Moving forward. Friday, dude, clean freaking week, baby, besides Thursday. Cool. So with that, let's jump into our weekly bias, okay? Monthly, S&P, we broke monthly structure to the upside. Where are the next draws on liquidity for us? Right up here and right up here. Are there any really building blocks that are in between there? No, so odds are price is just going to continue pushing all the way up until these highs, okay? That's what trend is saying, and that's what market's telling us. So there's no reason for me to be like, I want it to go down because of what the fundamentals are saying. We can't give a fuck. This is what price is giving us, so that's what we're doing, okay? So the draw on liquidity is this high. This is obviously where we want to see price draw towards. We just seen a bearish candle on the daily, so hopefully we could get like a daily retrace maybe into equilibrium, which is within for value gap in there. Okay, we do see this imbalance right here on the 4 hour right here. That's right in line with equilibrium. This looks great. We also have this order block right here. Okay, give me 1 second. All right, so this is kind of high confluence area. We have fair value gap here, equilibrium here, order block here. This looks like a great spot for retracements to happen. Ideally, we get a break of structure on the 4 hour. I don't know if we've gotten one yet. We did close below here, so yeah, it looks like we broke structure on the 4 hour to the downside. So we could see price draw towards here, hopefully at the beginning of the week. So yeah, that's what it looks like on the S&P. Hopefully we see price draw towards here and then rally up until these draws on liquidity. Moving forward, we have gold. We are still in a downtrend on the weekly, far past equilibrium now on the weekly time frame. We broke structure to the upside on the daily time frame. So what are we looking for now? Okay, we're looking for the daily to retrace within here. And since we're bullish on the daily, we can be taking bullish trades, even though I know the weekly's bearish, but we're going off of the daily time frame, okay? We're still yet to break structure on the 4 hour, but I honestly think we break structure into the 4 hour, fill this imbalance, or fill, you know, like one of these order blocks, whatever you want to consider that, and then we get like a slight move up, and that slight move up we can catch during one of those days, okay? So that's kind of what I'm looking at on gold. Obviously, I don't really see price extending all the way up there. We are in an uptrend on the monthly, though. That is something to keep in mind. We're in an uptrend on the monthly. Okay, we're below equilibrium now. I mean, if we see continuation on the 16-minute, after 16 days on this monthly close, then I'll probably flip my bias again, because we did, obviously, boom, we're within equilibrium on this extension, and we just filled this order block. So if we can get a break of structure to the upside on the weekly, then boom, where can we target? The past here is all-time highs for gold. This looked like, boom, liquidity sweep this, fall, fake out, rally. So that's what I see on gold. Looking for price to draw into here on the daily, maybe rally higher, potential for a fake out to go down until we get proven wrong on the weekly time frame. Moving forward, GBP USD, beautiful bullish structure on here, weekly bullish, daily bullish. We have this order block right here, which looks like it was already tested by this wick to the downside, boom, right here. So really, we did get this little retracement candle. So, you know, we have equilibrium right here, kind of in line with that fair value gap, in line with this liquidity right here. We haven't broke structure to the downside yet on GU. We have a couple confluences all throughout in this area, so hopefully we see price kind of draw back down within here during the week. We had a fat extension last week. I'll probably be pretty tentative on GBP pairs this week, just because they have CPI this week, and the USD pairs are looking a lot cleaner. So that's the outlook on GBP USD. Moving forward, we have GJ. Okay, we're still retracing on the weekly. Okay, ideally we see price come into either equilibrium, continue to fill this fair value gap some more. We are coming up and retracing on the daily, so this is a similar situation to what I was talking about, right? The weekly is bullish, however, the daily is bearish, and we just popped right up into equilibrium, wicked out of it. Okay, so now what am I looking for? I'm looking for a break of structure on the 4 hour. Okay, we did take out this liquidity. We did fill this imbalance. We did, boom, tap into this order cock. All right. So I'm looking for a break of structure on the 4 hour, and then from there, I'm looking to just, boom, just like find little shorts all the way down into that weekly equilibrium. And obviously we'll have shorter term take profits, right? Like off liquidity or off our other building blocks, but that's what I'm hoping to see. In terms of GBP JPY, all right, guys, so that being said, it's going to wrap up our weekly analysis. Hopefully you guys are kind of looking forward to the new kind of style of the boot camp videos. This isn't really boot camp anymore. This is kind of like live in action. We're going over everything that I usually would go over just as a trader. This is like the regular shit that I do, even if you guys weren't here. So this is welcome to my life now. You have everything that I use personally to be profitable. So now you guys, it's pretty much up to you guys to, like take in this information that I'm digesting and taking in on a weekly and daily standpoint. And then from there, you guys can hopefully gain from that, learn from that, and get going. So that being said, catch you boys tomorrow. Peace.